I'd like to talk about the similarity in between GT86 and the 2000 GT based on 2000 GT design. At a glance, the total overall proportion, you can find this 2000 GT's got a very long axle to dash. This proportion is kind of like a characteristic point of this vehicle. When you see the new GT86, so you can find the same type of proportion because this one is a driver's-oriented sport car. All of this proportion was decided by this circuit, that same thing. Then you see the total surface transition, especially this front fenders, the sculpture, continuously you can see the rear area. This kind of like a nice movement of sculpture or front fender movement. It's kind of like you can find this kind of similarity in between two products. The other thing to decide the kind of like character of this vehicle is kind of this characteristic DLO line. Very flowing and a nice kind of round bottom line and like a kind of pointed DLO corner and also somewhat pointed APL area. This is kind of like a very unique of this 2000 GT. This can also inherited to GT86. The other one, you can see the nice curvature of door opening line. This one also to decide this character of 2000 GT. Those three elements were inherited from the 2000 GT to GT86 as a Toyota sport car heritage. Now I'd like to talk about the rear three-quarter of this vehicle. You can find the kind of character of the vehicle, even in between 2000 GT and the GT86. This surface transition of the kind of rear fender, the sculpture kind of continuously tied with the trailing edge, the trunk area, this kind of flow. You can find the kind of same type of flow in the GT86. At the front end, firstly, you can find out the kind of like a bottom grille with the headlights, but you can find the T-bar element on the front end. However, you cannot find the kind of same element in the GT86 because we wanted to show the kind of Toyota, the keen look and the under priority front end. Instead of that, so we're going to put a kind of small detail of T-bar at the front grille mesh area.